Today's video is dedicated to your favorite brake check and road rage situations. How often do you see something like this on the road? And how can this be avoided? Write in the comments. The driver of the white pickup rolled down his windows to yell at the driver of the other car. After the car managed to escape along the shoulder, the pickup truck never managed to catch up again. Tesla does not yield to oncoming traffic that is turning right at a green light.
Can you fucking pass? You see what I'm fucking trying to do? What's wrong with you? What's fucking wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? Go, motherfucker. I tell you to fucking move. You see what I'm doing? Fucking piece of shit. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Fucking chick, motherfucker. Go. Yeah? Go. Go. What I fucking thought, pussy motherfucker.
你的小本本，你屌抠啊！你们的小本本呢？
去哪里啊？
我妈出小本本。
好。
是不能搞模式啊？
好。我这个你上来回来的话就回来这个了。
这搞模式时候就花神经了。啊？
No blinker and no room to merge. Traffic slowed in front of me. I did not speed up. He let me know I was number one. This guy is way old enough to know better. I normally don't do this, but this guy's driving was so dangerous that I flagged down a police officer and showed him these video clips and a picture of his truck against my car. I am very glad I had the bike rack on my car.
Hey! Yo! Get off the car! I've got you on camera. Get off of my car!
The guy simply came out of nowhere, saying I blocked him somewhere. But checking the video, nothing out of normal happened. The guy was arrested Monday and will be held on assault and property damage charges. Driving in the center lane when the right-hand lane is closed off due to construction on the road. Truck driver was trying to merge into the center lane when the white van decided to get within inches of the truck driver. When traffic started moving, the truck driver got upset with the driver in the van and took action to get around the white van and stop the van and got out to yell at him.
Eh, 有逼我这个车啊！你别动，别动了！哎呀，挂车了！你再烦你！
So I haven't even had to do an oil change yet. I'm going to stay on the horn here. Go ahead.
Typical driver stuck in traffic does the typical. Drives towards the traffic with only one response. Honk. Who honks at a funeral procession? It'll be over quickly and you'll be on your way. Chill. Gets yelled at anyway. Trash talking is fine. Trash throwing is not fine.
What's wrong with you? It's a funeral! It's a funeral! You shut up! Don't get your face on disrespectful! Bitch! Disrespectful bitch! Ah! What is it for? Fuck it!
Despite reporting this driver to the police, they claim that they cannot take any action as the vehicle's registration number is not visible in the video, and it would be difficult to identify who was driving.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Garmin, good. I don't know what to do right now. It's all three of these fuckers. Okay, Garmin. Save
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Fucking idiots. Like, what do I do here?
Holy shit! Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. What is happening?
Wow. I have
That's
no
all for
idea.
today. Thank you for watching.